Laser welding machine principle. Laser is the abbreviation of stimulated emission light amplification of radiation. Because of its unique high brightness, high directivity, high monochromaticity and high coherence, it has been widely used in industrial processing since its birth. Become a common processing method for future manufacturing systems. As a leader in the industry, the multi-dimensional handheld laser welding machine produced by Jinan Duoya Optoelectronics Equipment Company, Limited has been widely used in domestic kitchen utensils, automobile manufacturing, pharmaceutical equipment, agricultural production and other fields since its birth.